Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to change theme in Infinix Hot 11s smartphone. So this is the latest smartphone from the Infinix brand. So without a further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open app drawer, then scroll up, then you can find X theme option. You need to click that. So in the theme store, you need to click third tab. So in this tab, you can find many themes here. Lot of theme available. You can choose 1000 of themes from here. If you want to apply this theme, you can click download, then click apply. Now the theme is applied. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.